evening, students. How are you? Hope you are doing well. I am Dr. Smrutirekha and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. Have you downloaded the app? Please download the app with the following link and enroll yourself. We have just started. So, today topic is rational number. On this topic, I have already discussed in my previous 3 videos about the concept of rational number, and also I have discussed the properties of rational number. So, if you have not watched the videos, please watch all of them. Your concept of rational number and properties will be clear. So let us go to today's topic. What is that for you in today's topic? So before going to today's topic, I will remind you the what we have studied in the previous class. So uh, that is properties of rational number. So properties of rational number, we have closure property, we have commutative property, we have associative property. I am not going to take example and solve each one of them, just because we want to implement those laws and we are going to solve problems today. So I thought, let me just tell you the definition to just to remind. The details you can get in the YouTube link I have given already in this slide. Okay, so what is closure property? Closure property basically states that if in two operands an operation is applied in which both the operands belong to the same set, then the value after that operation, the result should belong to the same set only in which the operands belong. So I think you remember, but still, just for a second, I'll just tell you what is that. If you have like if you have A and B as they belong to your rational number, then A plus B is equal to C must be rational number. Then you will tell that the addition is closed in case of rational number. Correct? So these are the conclusions that can be made considering rational number uh, for closure property. So rational numbers are closed under addition. Rational numbers are closed under subtraction also. Rational numbers are closed under multiplication, and rational numbers are not closed under division. So to get details about the closure property, you can visit this video, the link of which I have given here. Then coming to the commutative property. So commutative property basically, if you denote, it is A plus B should be equal to B plus A. So the commutative property refers to the ability to change the order of something without changing the final result. It deals with arithmetic operation of addition and multiplication. So what are the conclusion we have got? We have already solved, taken some examples, and we have proved that addition is commutative, subtraction is not commutative, multiplication is commutative, division is not commutative in case of rational number. For further details, please go to the following link. Okay. Now, going to associative property. So associative property, as the name implies, means grouping. So basic mathematical operation which can be performed using associative property are addition and multiplication. And the conclusion you can see, addition is associative for rational number. So that means A plus B plus C can be written as A plus B plus C, or else you can add A plus C then add B, that is also is possible. Subtraction is not associative for rational number. If you consider multiplication, multiplication is associative for rational number. Division is not associative for rational number. Now we will take some of the examples in which we will be using properties of rational number, and we'll see how the we can solve the problem easily. So let us take this problem, that is 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 11 plus minus 8 by 21 is equal to your into minus 14 by 9. So this we are going to solve it. So let us change the screen color of the pen, because it is selected red color. So let us choose black color so that it will be convenient for you to see. Okay, so now I have taken the black color. So now let us solve this problem. So now if directly, if you want to, I think our problem is changed. Okay, so first we'll do the addition, then we'll go for the multiplication, correct? So this was our first problem. So 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 11 plus minus 8 by 21 plus your 5 by 22. So a common way, if you will do, how you will do? So you will just find out the LCM of 7, 11, 21, 22. Then that will take as a common denominator. So in that case you have to divide 7 with the LCM, multiply with the numerator. So that becomes little, uh, you can do it, it's correct. But if you know certain shortcut method, so why not to adapt that? So we will use the properties of rational number to solve this particular problem. So how we are going to do it? So instead of taking in this order, so we will use the commutative law first, and we will write in this form, because we know using commutative property your value is not going to change if you change the order of it, correct or not? So you can write it like this. So you have used commutative property. Now using your associative property, you can just write down, just find out the solution of it. 3 by 7 plus minus 8 by 21. Correct. So this you take as a group. Okay. In associative property, so here you are using your associative property to find out the solution. So now this becomes your denominator. So this becomes 9 plus minus 8 plus, so here your denominator becomes 22. So 11 into 2 is 22. So minus 6 into 2, that is minus 12 plus your 5, correct? So you will get 9 minus 8, so you will get 1 divided by 21 plus minus 7, because it is minus 12, minus 7 divided by 22, correct? So now you will take the LCM of it, 21 and 22, that is 462. So I will multiply 22 here minus your 140. So 47. So your answer becomes, so 22, 140 minus, so minus, so here becomes your 5 to 25 divided by 462, correct? So minus 125 divided by 462. So here you have used your commutative property and here you have used your associative property. So here you have used your associative property. So this is how, by using your properties of rational number, you can solve this problem. So let us take one more example. So here we are doing multiplication. So what I will do, first we will use the commutative law. Okay, so I will take this minus 4 by 5 into 15 by 16. First I will take this, then I will take 3 by 7 into minus 14 by 9. Then I will group it. So minus 4 by 5 into 15 by 16, I will group it into another group. So that is, so here in the first case we have used commutative. So first line we have used commutative law, commutativity. So commutative law we have used. So here I am going to use associative law because we are grouping it. So 3 by 7 into minus 14 by 9. So your answer will be, so here 5, 15, 3, 4. This becomes 4. You will get minus 3 by 4 into here similarly 3, 9, 3 minus 2. So minus 2 by 3, again 3 3 cancel out and 4 2 cancel out, you become 1. So your answer is 1 by 2. So nicely, so quickly you could find out the answer of this particular problem by using your commutative and associative property. Correct or not, students? Yeah. So now let us learn one more particular fact, that is another property, that is distributive property of multiplication over addition. I think this concept you also know in your lower standard. So that what is that? So suppose you have to multiply a into b plus c, or you have to multiply a into b minus c. You can just multiply by opening the parenthesis individually, then you can add it. Like for example, a into b plus c, if you want to do, it will be equal to ab plus ac. A into b minus c is equal to ab minus ac. So this will be clear if we will solve this problem here. So you have minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. So how you are going to do it? So distributive property. So I will open the parenthesis. So minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus. So let us take it in a bracket. So another bracket starts. So that is minus 3 by 4 into minus 5 by 6. So your answer will be, so here 4 2 get cancel out. This becomes 2, 3, 3. So this becomes your minus 1 by 2 plus here 3, 6. Here it becomes 2. So you have minus minus, that is 5 divided by 8. So 8 becomes your LCM now. So here it becomes minus 4 plus 5, and your answer is 1 by 8. So here is a homework for you. So using distributive property, please find out the following, the solution to the following problem, that is 7 by 5 into minus 3 by 12 plus 7 by 5 into 5 by 12. So definitely I know you can do it because you are all my good children. So please do it. Okay. So with this I will end up today's class. Thank you for your patient hearing, and please follow us in the YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and don't forget to download your app. We are coming up with your live classes also, where you can clear all your doubts directly by interacting with the teachers. Correct? So thank you. Take care.